Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how add remove magnification on your Lenovo Tab E10. To do that, in the first step, from main menu we must navigate to the settings, where we have option accessibility. We choose it, and there we have magnification. Now we must go to the first option, and to turn on it we must switch on the right corner, and after that we can zoom our screen. To do that we must triple touch in zoom, in screen, and in zoom as the screen. To turn off it we must triple touch again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.